minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig på det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda dig baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå.
Previously on Live with Cloudy, I did a little unboxing of my new braids. I also showed you guys all the clothes I got the kids in our previous vlog, which is this one. So if you haven't watched that, do check it out. I also packed the kitty's bag, I packed our bag, and then the following morning we went for breakfast before hitting the road to our now holiday home, which is by the beach side, so you know it's gonna be fun. And we checked in and then went for lunch, which was so good. So if you guys haven't watched that vlog, do check it out, and let's jump straight into today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm hoping you're here to stay. If you are a returning Asabi honey, then thank you so much for stopping back by. So as you guys already know by the very previous vlog, we are on holiday right now, and this is day 2 of us being here. I'm about to get ready. I already took a shower, got dressed, wearing this dress, but I'm gonna show you guys my full outfit once I'm done. Let me just put on my earrings. So I'm gonna wear these earrings from Pep. Okay, so I got my earrings on. I really need to get some new ones. Let me do my face quickly. So first I use this Switch Beauty Superhero Spray. It's so fresh and leaves my skin glowy. I'm just gonna press it in like so. Do you guys see that? I don't think I need to wear any makeup. It's really hot today, so that's not gonna work, but I do just wanna cover up the dark spots. I'm not gonna do anything else except for that. Next, I'm using my Neutrogena Spot Control Oil-Free Moisturizer, and I am running out. And you guys, I'm rushing because I'm always the last one to be done. I prepped the kids earlier this morning already. I have them in bathing suits, and then I have their extra dry clothes, diapers. I need to prep their bottle of waters as well, and then I'm gonna pack everything in their bag. So next I'm using the Derma Opal Moisturizing Sunscreen. It's in SPF 30. I wish it was 50, but yeah, I love the sunscreen because it leaves no residue, and I always make sure I get enough. Well, I don't always do it on my fingers, but I do apply quite a lot of sunscreen always, every day, even at night time. And I make sure to drag it all the way down. Today we're not gonna eat out. My mother-in-law is busy prepping some chicken for lunch because we will be here for say 2.5 weeks, and that eating out every single day, that will mean we will be broke once we leave. Okay, let me just clean up my, so to say, edges. They don't want to lay, you guys. They don't want to lay. So you guys can see the glow. Do you guys see that glow? I'm just gonna brush everything back because this edges never want to obey and lay. And then I'm using my amla oil for the scalp. I'm just gonna moisturize my scalp quickly because I didn't do that yesterday. I'm not gonna do it proper, but just, you know. Well, that was nothing, but okay. I did the install, might be up by now. So I decided against it, and I'm not going to be uploading this tutorial on how I installed my faux logs, because honestly speaking, I didn't do a good job, and also it was a struggle. It looked easy, but it was not. Okay, it was not easy. I watched a bunch of tutorials, but my braiding pattern kind of threw me off. As you guys can see, I have plaits, I have two-strand twist, and I have cornrows at the back, so it was a bit of a mess. And yeah, I didn't like how it turned out, so I decided not to upload it at all. I also thought I recorded the part where I showed you guys my braiding pattern, but I seem to have lost that clip, which is nothing new. I seem to always lose content. So it was not going to make any sense just showing you guys how I crochet the hair on my natural hair without telling you how I braided, you know, my natural hair, how I got it in this situation. But yeah, for that time it worked, because I didn't have to stress about laying down any wig or how my natural hair looked like, and also nobody knew, so it worked for me. Hopefully we will have an updated or like a proper, cleaner, easier way on how to install, maybe not be faux locks, but some braiding hair. And yeah, I'll show you guys everything from the beginning till the end. So yeah, that is that on that. Now, I did this install yesterday. What a mazza. Do you guys see? What a mazza. I see my own braids like popping up, but nobody's gonna know, because I'm gonna pop on this head. And I'm also gonna rock them with this flops that I already showed you guys. So let me just moisturize my feet again. I have this Nivea Cocoa Butter body lotion that I also added my tissue oil from Pep, that balm leaf tissue oil, and it smells amazing. Okay, I added half the bottle of that. I don't have a bag, you guys. I don't know how I packed everything. Let me get a foundation. Okay, I didn't bring my Shea Glam foundation. You guys know how I'm obsessed with Shea Glam, but I'm gonna use this one from Scarlet Hill. It's a BB cream. I've never used it before, and I really want to do a review on it actually. I hope it dries matte. Okay, it's hydrating and medium coverage finish. A BB cream for a glowy, hydrating and medium coverage finish. So let's see how she works. You guys, I think I need to get a mirror. I'll check around if I can find like a Chinese store or something. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit before I blend it in completely. My in-laws went out to get some bread with the kids, so I really want to be done before they get back. Hyperpigmentation in my skin is like this. Okay, that girl never leaves me alone. What else? Okay, I have this huge ass pimple right here. It still shows. And then just a little bit underneath the eyes, those bags. These dark spots just don't want to be covered. I think I should leave it on for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for a couple of minutes to dry up. What's that? To dry up before. Okay, I'm done. Let me not do much before I end up applying foundation on my entire face. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna use this Got to Be Glue Edge and Brow Gel for my brows, just to make them look more neater. They're very wild. It's gonna dry up clear. This gel don't work for my edges, nothing. Does absolutely nothing. Now I have this liquid blush from Shein that I want to do a review on first, so I'm gonna go in with my old time fave and just add a little bit of that. You know, blush always makes everything look much better. also this foundation ain't doing it for me. I'm gonna use this lip gloss. It has like a red pigment to it. I'm gonna set everything with this Sweet Beauty Spoil Spray. Oh my word. I think I'm gonna take this along. So I'm just gonna okay. Oh, I have a baby. I can't do all that. But yeah, this is my very simple. Get ready with me. Now I'm gonna pack the kids back quickly. So I got Ari a short and a top. I got JJ some shorts and a top as well. And then Ari's handbag, little pouch. She's got, what does she have in here? My nail polish, yeah. She's really a girly girl. I'm gonna put my lip gloss in here for her. I have a little underwear for JJ. I've got 2 diapers each, but I don't think JJ is gonna use any diapers because he's gonna be in underwear. The wipes, they are bum creams. Ari is gonna wear this hat right now, JJ's cap, and then I'm gonna add their bottle of waters and some snacks as well, and then of course their toys. And we are done. I'm also gonna add my stuff in here because I don't have a bag. Almost forgot, I got to get the kids towels as well. And then I'm also gonna take 2 of this little blankies to, I don't know, dry them, wipe them, let them sit on it. I don't know, but it's always a good idea to have extra blankets for them. Okay, and then let's get the towels and let's go. I feel so cute. You know what, let me keep my phone in the charger quickly. Oh, my mom, let me hear what my mom has to say. Okay, so I'm done. I'll show you guys my full outfit now in a sec. Let me just sort out everything that's on the bed, put everything away, like my camera bag, and then we go downstairs, get the kids water and stuff, and then we are out of here. And then I'll catch you guys once we're at the beach. So let me show you the outfit and then catch you guys at the beach. I decided to apply a little bit of mascara. Do you guys see that? And this is the triple threat mascara from Scarlet Hill. I feel like it makes kind of a difference up close. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Yeah, I'm glowing and I love it. I forgot to show you guys, I'm also gonna wear one of my mother-in-law's bathing suits. This one, girl, this is lacy, this is sexy, this is cute. So I don't have any bathing suits. I didn't bring any because I was planning on placing my order on Shein, but then as soon as we came, I kind of forgot we had to come here actually, so didn't have enough time to order from Shein. But yeah, bathing suit, mascara, I'm done. For real, let's go. So this is my full outfit. I have the hat on, I have the dress. Do you guys even see the detail? Cute or whatever. And I have the shoes on, the sandals. Oh, and this is the hair, the inches. I just need like a nice straw bag. So yeah, this is the outfit. We have arrived. We came this way. We're looking for my mother-in-law them and JJ because they came before us. This is the beach. I'm sure the people wondering who is this with the fucking car.
Yo?
JJ! Jaden! Jay!
Jay!
Hi! Papa!
Hola. Hemos hablado con la cita mal, me dijo que dice no, porque autobús y digo, pues el tren hasta el puerto.
Hey guys, so we have arrived at the beach. It's just me not wearing any bikini yet. I don't know why I didn't wear it underneath, under this dress. I have you guys in a weird angle because everybody's staring. So I might just go in with the dress, but I also want to have my dress for lunchtime. They're applying some sunscreen on Ari. So cute. Let me quickly get Ariana's sun hat. Everybody's having the time of their lives.
Hours later.
Hey guys, so we went to the restaurant just to get some tapas. We came back and we chilled. We ate some, well, I ate some watermelon, and now we are about to go, and I fed Ari, and now we're about to go have some lunch. It's only gonna be my husband and I and Ari. Everybody else went home. JJ fell asleep. My in-laws is gonna lunch at home and also rest a little bit. My husband and I and baby Ari gonna chill on the beach for the rest of the day until they get back, and then we're still gonna chill and then head home for dinner. So yeah, we might decide to go to the stores, no, to the center. Okay, just to do a little bit of ice shopping, but other than that, yeah, still enjoying life. I just came off a long video call with my mom. She's at our place today. She's like, it's so freaking cold here back home and you're having the time of your life. Like, babe, I'm on holiday. But anyways, let's get going. I need to drop this out somewhere. And then there's this uncle sitting on my right side, and he's looking at what I'm doing. I may look crazy to some people, but you know why? You live once. YOLO. I'm gonna be vlogging and be uncomfortable till I am comfortable. But yeah, let's go. We are at Chiringuito, Playa La Gaviota. Yes, and we already placed our order. I'm having tinto, and that is pretty much the only thing that I'll be drinking for the rest of the holidays. Because they don't have, like, I don't know if they have any nice ciders. I love tinto. Let me stick to what I know. This is my view. Well, our view. We have our first little tapa. It's papa alioli, which is potato and alioli, almost like potato salad. I can say it's potato salad, but they don't use mayo, but rather alioli, which is really, really delicious. Next, we have tortillita de camarone. I hope I said that right. My ultimate fave. Listen, this is what I ate the day that we... Wait, let me ask. Do you remember when was the last time that we ate tortillita de camarone?
The day that didn't come to this world in this big stomach.
The day that JJ came into this world, no? Exactly the day. We were at the beach. Next we have boquerones. We have squid, chipirone plancha, chipiron plancha, and a side salad. Oh my freaking god. So we have an Oreo cake and we have a Kinder cake for dessert. Are you enjoying? Yes? Yeah? the little pony. Ali. Hi. I'm Kiskra. Eating watermelon. Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. I have the mic right here. I don't want the people behind me to see that I'm vlogging. It is old people, but still don't want to. So we got back from lunch, and my husband is here sleeping. Ari is also here sleeping. My brother-in-law was with us, but he went. He decided to go for fishing a little bit. So my in-laws are on their way here with JJ to come and chill with us, and then we have an appointment for JJ at 7. It is currently 20 to 6 and it's still bright and shiny as if it's 3 o'clock. But yeah, we have an appointment for JJ at 7 at a barber shop or a salon, I'm not sure. And then that's in the center. So after that we are gonna go window shopping, if I can find something that I like. I mainly am looking for some shorts and basic tops, and then I want to get some sunglasses and a straw bag at least, or any beach bag that I can get, and I think some tops for Ari or for JJ, I'm not sure, but just a few stuff, you know, do a little bit of shopping or whatever. And yeah, then we're gonna head back home. So I'll catch you guys once we take JJ to the barber. Hola! Look, he's here. JJ.
JJ que poco le gusta la tierra.
Nah, mamá. Kiss mamá.
Y le he dormido mucho, mamá.
¿Sí? I miss you. How are you?
Mamita.
Berkas. Yes. We're gonna go get this hair cut. There's a lot of sand in your hair. Mira. Okay, so catch you guys when we go for JJ's appointment. Gracias, mamá. ¿Qué es eso?
Es más rica, pruébala, ¿verdad?
You want to take? Here we go. Catch you once we are on our way to JJ's. Sí. Mucho.
Estos son tortas de dinero.
You guys, so we are on our way for JJ's appointment. We are a little bit late. Let me say 30 minutes late, so it's not a little bit, it is quite late, but we're going either way. So yeah, no, I don't want to pick up. This is the road, so there's no cars allowed in this road. Oh, here's the salon Omema. Yeah, let's go. This is the salon. Going. Jaden, we are late. We are done getting JJ's hair cut. Earrings. You want earrings? Look at mama. The colors on the t-shirt. Look at mommy. Let me look your hair. Wow. Even if you cried, you're cute. And Ari? Always cute. Papa's head and JJ's head. Boom, boom. Us to get our ears pierced. I'm not ready. Unprepared. I'm scared of needles. Thank you. We're just strolling down the street. I will still decide. I don't know if I want. We're going into this shoe store. Let's check some Crocs for JJ. But is it this size? I think this is the smaller size. Beautiful. 30 size. Take it up. Try it on his feet. So cute. Very cute wedges. This would look so cute for my mom. This is cute. Oh. Yes, but the price is not saying yes. Hi. This one is much higher. Look at this bedazzled slide. This is so cute. My favorite type of shoes. So cute. Oh, this is also so cute. I really like this. Also comes in nude. And then you have this white one. These are also really cute. This is also very nice. Can we get some ice cream? Let's look for an ice cream store. Can we pass? There's more stores now. These are sandals that I can definitely get. Look at the dresses. Is it €1? Oh, for the kids, for JJ and Ari. So cute. Oh, happy day. Is you wanted to try the heads, so right? This would be Long Street from Cape Town. Look here, so beautiful. Warning on social media about this doll. Look there. So much shade. It's awful, Ari. Look here. How much is one bag? This is so cute. You are cute. You want something from them? Michael Kors.
One for me, one for me.
What store is this? I think the store is also in the center of Sevilla, no? Always new, always in Panama. Maybe I need to go there. Oh, it's so beautiful going down. Bikinis. Let's go and see. Let's go in. What look? No. Let's do some bathing suits. Ooh, the floral ones are so freaking cute. €14.99. This is also cute with the high-waisted panties. Ooh. This is a cute one. The mustard bra, also high-waisted. I think I need to get like just a bathing suit. €10 a night. €10. This is beautiful. I'm coming. Look here. See, girl, it's a bathing suit. For on the beach, you wear this. And a cover up. I would like to have a cover up. Sorry, JJ. We're forgetting a jean shop.
Venga, this is very nice, Mama.
I know, but maybe we'll find
Venga,
out.
for Papa. This is.
But where am I wearing this? Where am I going?
I'll go to walk around, no? In the night.
So Ari and I are in the fitting room. My husband really wants me to try on this dress. It is cute, but I don't know. So let's try it on. And he went to inquire about a wedge in my size. So, well, not a wedge. I'm gonna show you guys the shoe. Let's get into this dress. Got the dress on. I'm gonna let him show you from afar. Okay, with the shoe. Cute or whatever, but it doesn't look nice on my foot. I have a wide foot. Yeah, let's try that one. I have a wide foot and a long foot. Let's try. The shoes are so beautiful. This one would also look nice. This is very high, especially with kids. This is very, very cute. You really want this man really wants to see me in a wedge. Why? I don't know. My foot is so dry. I didn't moisturize it. I have a fat foot, but okay. My feet is so dry, guys. My feet is just dry. I can put Vaseline. What's the price of this one? I didn't check the price of this. The one that you really wanted me to try. My toes are very long in this. This is cute, but my toes. Is it? This looks like Air Force Ones, but very light. This is also very cute. It's fine. Let's try this one. This is cute. And my foot is very, very dry. We just showered. This is cute. You don't like it? Transparent bar. You don't like it? Yes, let me try the 40. I have a humongous foot. This is also very cute. I really like all these shoes. All of them.
still think of this one.
Maybe let me try it. I think I will like this one. Look at these lace tops. Oh my god. And I also want a short. Let me just go and change the dress quickly. Everything in the store is just so cute. These are skirt shorts, short skirts, whatever. And then these are the tops, like cute tops. And they have lots of shorts. This is so cute. Beach bag. It's definitely needed. 15 euros 99. It's so cute. This one. 17.99. I think this would work with for the kids stuff only. Let me take one of this, the yellow one. How comfy, super soft. Oh my freaking god, I need one of each.
Take your things.
Thank you. Take your things. So wild. Look, the dinosaur, JJ. I need this mat for the kids' bedroom. 5 euros 99. 7 euros dresses for 7 and for 5 and for 6.
Disconnected.
Wait.
Yes.
Tunggu. Oh, so freaking cute. 4 euros for dresses. Have you more or less something like those kind of stuff for the Is it this ones that you want? Getting to the fruits. When was the last time that I saw this and I ate this? Oh my god, the dummies. Do you want ice cream? Let's buy ice cream. Let's get some ice cream. Oopsie. Oopsie. No, that's all. Oh, look at all this delicious. Look that side. And this is ours. Strawberry, yes. So allow me, make I enjoy life. I'm so fascinated about how older people still look so good and dresses so good. Like the grandmother that just passed has fashion designer, no, well, not fashion designer, but she has fashionable jeans on, and then the one across has the shoes that I just wanted to get, the high wedge. We love that. We are done having ice cream. I'm so freaking full. It is 5 minutes past 9.
What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. You act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like crying.
Clean, so quiet. Hotel La Española. What?
You got me losing
this. Chasing the sunset. Oh my freaking god, the view. Wow, baby. Really wow.
The Romanian people, the Roman people make this fisheries. Is the name in Spanish is corralo. It's for when the water come in, the fish coming, and then can go out. And the fishing people come with the hand.
And then just take all, so this borders, no? To capture the fish. And this, what is this building? Ah, baby.
I don't know what it is, but this is Arabic.
An Arabic building, no? I would like to know the information about it. We will do a tour of the town. I don't know when. We are heading back home, but just making a quick stop by the park for the kids, and then we are heading home. The day is so beautiful. What time is it now? It is 9:30 on our way home. Well, now home. We're looking for the car. Then we're gonna drive home. And I have Ari in my arms. So hefty. Hi! Hey guys, so we are back home and I just went ahead and I changed. Luckily I already showered when we got back from the beach before we took JJ for his appointment, and then after his appointment, as you guys saw, strolled through the center of Chipiona. I hope I'm saying that right, Chipiona. Yes. And you guys, it is so freaking beautiful. We're going back tomorrow. And the day after, I'm sure, and the day after until we leave. Like, I want to try and go in every single shop if possible, and I want to see the beautiful spots, because I saw a few spots where taking pictures would look so good. Also, the sunset was amazing. Oh my god, it was so amazing. So yeah, that was our day. And then let me just quickly show you guys what we got, but let me just position you guys somewhere. Okay, I have you guys at a very risky thingy, so I'm so scared. I hope my camera don't fall. So we went to the store, and the first thing I got was this bag for the beach. It is so perfect. Any sand that comes in can literally just, you know, I can just shake it out for the kiddies' toys and everything else. And then, of course, you guys already saw me try on the shoes. I went for this ones. Super cute, I feel. And they have the strings. So yeah, that's what I got. And then I also got this dress that my husband really wanted me to get. I do apologize for the light, you guys. My ring light fell yesterday, so yeah. But anyways, this is the dress that I got. You guys are gonna see when I do wear it. So yeah, this is the dress. Also went to this Vanessa store. The last things we got was some Crocs for JJ. So we got JJ this Crocs. They're so cute. Definitely gonna get myself Crocs as well. I want to get myself some Crocs too. So yeah, that's literally all that we got. We didn't get anything for Ari. I'm gonna go get some stuff for baby Ari and I tomorrow. I'm probably not gonna vlog tomorrow's day. I don't want to be with the camera every single time, you know. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell right next to it so you can always be notified once I do upload a new video. Also, do leave a comment down below, comment on whatever you would like to from this vlog. I would love to interact with you guys in the comment section. Don't forget to share with your friends and your girlfriends so we can grow together. Thank you so much once more for watching. Do stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So